Hi YouTube. Today I'm playing Subway Surfers. Earlier I was playing what was I playing? I was playing Epic Skater. But today I'm gonna try to play a new game and try to beat my own score. Let's get into it. For the start I'm using nearly a lot of power. Almost died there. Oh god. Dang. Using my stuff. Getting that ghost. Like a zombie. Nowadays, I'm on my head against the ladder. Money got long. Oh, I knew I should have got that. Hey, should have got that power up. Oh, how? Nowadays, I'm on my head against the ladder. Money got long. Speaking a louder, car got faster. Money so that she hurt. Diamonds on my teeth, on my teeth. Zap. Freak. Thing got a little fast. Opening up the prize. Should I open it? And should I double up? I'm not. New high score. Right now I'm using Prince. I was using Prince K, his Jaguar outfit. As you can see, I kind of wasted a lot of money. But yeah. I nearly just started playing. I have nearly, I have nearly everybody and everything. Come on, scroll. I have everybody. I don't like it. There is the new Transylvania Space Special. He's a wolf named Mike. Yeah. If you already know these people, that's Frank, Frizzy, King, Lucy, Ninja, Robot, Tagbot, I don't know, Tasha, Zombie, Zoe, Brody, and Prince K. And Trixie, Spike. But I don't have those people. But I have all of the new boards. I have all of the boards actually. I have the new ones. This is a gift from Google. Thanks Google. Other than that, I have everything. So let's get into it. Oh, and by the way, after I'm gonna play another game called Respawnables, I think. And as you can see, Mike has this M on his back, which I think resembles his name. If anybody knows, please tell me down in the comments. I will check. Dang it, Mike. Okay. Now let's get into Respawnables. Oh, and guys, by the way, Respawnables has a new update for, I think, Halloween. I'm not wasting any of my money on this because I just don't know. I just don't like wasting my money on respawnables, because I think respawnables is just like a game that you can just have fun on. So I really don't just buy, because if I buy stuff, I won't like have so much fun with it. But like the other games like Subway Surfers and Epic Skater, I can buy stuff and I can still have fun. But I think I gotta leave and then come back. I think it worked. Sorry guys, that's it for today. I can't play respawnables, but today was a good day. Goodbye. Wait, I could play Junk Food instead of respawnables. Even though Junk Food is not like really a cool game, it's just kind of fun. Kind of, not really. But yeah, I'm gonna play Junk Food, Wasted Masters, whatever the freak that means. Play. Who the heck is that? Okay, there's two drunk, I guess. I think both of them are drunk. This game is a little laggy. Whack him. Ooh. Just south side that boy. But he coming out with all blue. I like his shoes. Just knocked him out. Get out. Oh, come on, man. Really? Hey, at least I locked out 3. You learn how to count. But okay, guys. This is it for today. Peace. It's your boy. Wait. Sorry. It's your boy. Cool Story Bro. Peace.